When your TalkTalk YouView box encounters playback errors, it can be incredibly frustrating. Today, we'll explore the most common issues and immediate solutions you can try at home. The most common playback errors include unable to play recording messages, recordings that fail to start entirely, partial playback that suddenly stops, and audio-video synchronization problems. These playback errors typically stem from three main causes: hard drive problems where recordings are stored, insufficient storage space, and poor signal quality from your aerial connection. The first and most effective solution is a simple restart. Unplug your YouView box from power for 30 seconds, then reconnect it and allow 2 to 3 minutes for a complete boot sequence. Storage problems are a major cause of playback issues. Ensure you have at least 10% free space by deleting old or unwanted recordings. A full hard drive cannot properly manage new recordings or play existing ones. Finally, check your signal quality. Verify that your aerial connection is secure, check the signal strength in your settings menu, and retune your channels if you detect any signal issues. Poor signal quality can corrupt recordings and cause playback failures. These 3 quick fixes can resolve most common TalkTalk YouView playback problems. Try them in order, starting with the simple restart, then checking your storage space, and finally, verifying your signal quality. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your YouView recording issues, it's time to explore more advanced solutions that can address deeper system problems. A factory reset is the most comprehensive solution for persistent software issues. This process will restore your YouView box to its original state, but remember that all your recordings and custom settings will be permanently deleted. Hardware monitoring is crucial for identifying potential failures before they cause complete system breakdown. Your hard drive is the most vulnerable component, and early detection of problems can save your recordings and prevent data loss. Keeping your firmware updated is essential for optimal performance. TalkTalk regularly releases updates that fix bugs, improve stability, and add new features. Enable automatic updates to ensure you always have the latest improvements. The television industry is undergoing a major transformation. Traditional set-top boxes with local storage are gradually being replaced by cloud-based solutions that offer unlimited storage and access from any device. TalkTalk is adopting a balanced hybrid approach, continuing to support existing YouView customers while simultaneously investing in next-generation streaming technologies and cloud-based services. The evolution to 4K content and advanced compression standards is putting new demands on older YouView hardware. These technological advances require more storage space, processing power, and regular firmware updates to maintain compatibility. If you've tried all troubleshooting steps and problems persist, it's time to contact TalkTalk technical support. In some cases, hardware replacement may be necessary, particularly for older boxes that can no longer handle modern demands or have developed hardware faults.